Hi, I'm Craig from Area Safe Products. Unfortunately, driver safe zones are surprisingly uncommon, and many people in the industry are unaware of what they are and why they need one in their warehouse. That's why I've created this short video to help you understand their importance and explain the different options available. As you would know, warehouses and industrial sites see frequent traffic from larger vehicles that are travelling in and out of loading docks, delivering goods and receiving goods. So, have you put much thought into where the truck drivers can safely wait until their truck is ready? When the truck drivers are not in their vehicle, they are at a high risk of being hit by other trucks, forklifts or other machinery during the loading and unloading process. So to prevent the driver injury, a driver safe zone must be incorporated into the loading and unloading procedures. By having a driver safe zone in your warehouse, it also allows the truck driver to remain out of the way of the loading and unloading process to take place efficiently and smoothly without the forklift driver having to worry about the safety of external personnel. So I've just covered why they're important, but what actually is a driver safe zone? A driver safe zone is formed by creating an area which is physically barricaded off for drivers to wait in whilst their trucks are being loaded and unloaded. We have 3 different kits available: the recess rail kit, the double rail U-bollard kit, or the modular pedestrian rail kit. All of these kits aim to serve the same purpose, but some provide a higher level of protection than others and would be chosen depending on what environment they are being placed into. In addition to the barrier itself, aluminium benches can be included within the safe zone for the drivers to sit and wait if their loading-unloading process is going to be lengthy. In Australia, the transport, postal and warehousing industries accounted for a massive third of fatalities in 2019, according to Safe Work Australia. These incidents occurred due to a variety of reasons, with some including vehicle collisions, being hit by moving or falling objects, and being trapped between stationary and moving objects. These statistics highlight why there is a dire need for driver safe zones to be installed at all warehouse and industrial sites. It is simply no longer acceptable to have a painted line or a small sign as a means of separation. So to answer your question, if your facility protocols require drivers to wait outside their vehicle at any point, then yes, you definitely need to consider implementing a driver safe zone in order to see a decline in fatality numbers in this commercial sector. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to head to www.areasafe.com.au to browse our range of driver safe zones.